So we're going to do a name game. In this version, I'm going to do my name with a movement, and then you guys are going to repeat it back to me as exactly as you can. So it's just an echo. So here's a trial run. Jenny.
Jenny.
Perfect. So I'll do that, and then we'll go around to Kathy, and we'll just have everyone do theirs, and we'll repeat it. Just some basic rules. You want to be silly and have fun, so try not to plan it. Invite some new motion to come in that maybe you've never done before, and then you want to do something that's safe for everyone to do, so no backflips, right? All right, so you guys ready? Here we go. Jenny.
Jenny.
Kathy.
Kathy.
Misha.
Misha.
Christine.
Christine.
Laura.
Laura.
Justin.
Oh my. Justin.
Oh my.
Making us work for it.
Alyssa.
Alyssa.
Kat.
Kat.
Jane.
Jane.
Haley.
Haley. Well done, everyone. Well done. Okay, cool. So in this version of the name game, we're going to do our name with the motion, and then you all will echo, and then it's going to build cumulatively. So I'll do mine, Jenny, and you all go, Jenny. Then Kathy will offer one. This is just a little trial.
Kathy.
And we go, Kathy. Jenny.
Jenny.
Then Misha goes, then Kathy, then me. So we're going to build all the way around the circle. All right? Here we go with this one. Jenny.
Jenny.
Kathy.
Kathy. Jenny.
Misha.
Misha. Kathy. Jenny.
Haley.
Haley. Jane. Kat. Alyssa. Justin. Laura. Christine. Misha. Kathy. Jenny. Yeah! Yes, I love that one. Because you get, with the repetition, then by the end, you're like, oh, you got everybody except maybe the person at the end. Sorry,
No,
Haley.
we got Haley. Made his presence.
Haley.
Haley everywhere.
Yes.